It's no secret that I'm a fan of Perennial Salvia. These plants can be real showstoppers in our Mississippi gardens and landscapes. Today's Southern Gardening is at the South Mississippi Branch Station. There are some stunning selections growing in their trial beds. Unplugged Blue Salvia is an outstanding selection of mealy cup sage, Salvia farinaceae. The bright blue flower spikes set just atop the dense, bright green foliage. This is the perfect size salvia for borders in the landscape, standing 20 inches tall by 14 inches wide. A couple of hybrid salvia from the Rockin series are outstanding choices. Rockin Blue Suede Shoes salvia have crisp, bright indigo blue flowers with dark black calyx. The deep green foliage is complementary to the tall spikes of blue flowers. Rockin Fuchsia produces tubular, bright fuchsia pink flowers, and the deep purple black calyx that line the stems create a stunning show of color. When the flowers drop, the deep purple black calyx leaves the look of flower spikes from a distance. Amistad Salvia produces a gaudy abundance of charcoal purple spikes displaying dramatic deep violet purple flowers. The large foliage resembles elongated hearts. And Bolivian Sage is a tropical salvia having cherry licorice red flowers that are fuzzy with little white hairs. Regular watering and fertilizing will keep these salvia in optimum condition for color, growth, and performance. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.